Freitag, the Zurich-based bag manufacturer, and Brompton have recently announced their collaboration in producing a new backpack, the F748 Coltrane. It is a bag designed to clip onto the front carrier block of a Brompton, and they kindly sent me one so that I can test it and show it here on my channel. Freitag is world famous for giving new life to used materials. The F748 Coltrane is no exception, and it's made of recycled track tarps. These bags are water repellent, and each one of them is unique with its own patterns and colors. All straps and handles are manufactured using discarded seat belts, and the shoulder straps attach to the back of the bag using magnets that make it really easy to dock and remove from the bike. It's a great backpack as it is, but if not used on the bike, it is also possible to remove the aluminum frame by unfastening a couple of Velcro straps and sliding it out. As far as storage, the bag is simple but very functional. In the main compartment you will find a pen loop holder, the nice touch of a matching leather mat flap, two thin compartments, one with padding material meant for tablets or laptops, as well as a zippered inner compartment. On the outside there is a zippered pocket for the things you want to access easily, even while seated on the bike. This also contains an extra long fixed strap that can be used to secure keys or anything else you don't want to lose. On the inside of the same pocket are three small dividers to further organize storage. The bag has a second zipper for easier access to the laptop compartment. You also have two separate handles according to the way you are holding the bag, and of course the shoulder strap's length can be fully adjusted. While this bag functionality and design is a perfect match for a daily commute on a Brompton, as it is a tradition on this channel, I thought I would give it a travel spin and wondered if it would be capable enough for a weekend break to discover a great city. And what better way of doing it than on a Brompton? For a couple of days, all I need is a tablet, a set of clothes, a pair of slippers, toiletries, adapters and cables, a wallet, and of course my phone. The F748 Coltrane and Brompton folding bike offer a simple urban mobility solution. They make it really easy to go about your day in a city. With a 19-liter capacity, it can easily store your laptop, cables, stationery, and still leave you enough space for the little shopping that you need to do at the end of the day. This is a very expensive bag. It retails for £320. So what else do you get for your money? For one thing, you get Freitag renowned build quality, which is apparent in the stitching and attention to details. So with a little care, you get a unique, trendy bag that will probably outlast you and bring a lot of joy into your commute with a Brompton. I was surprised at how comfortable it also is as a backpack and how soft the seatbelt straps actually feel when worn on the shoulders. What I love most though has to be the ease of shifting from cycling to wearing it as a comfortable backpack, and maybe with a folded bike in one end be able to walk easily into the office or grab a latte at my favorite cafe. Nothing could make it easier than this bag and a Brompton. They really are a perfect match. The bag is now available at Freitag stores, Brompton junctions, or directly on the Freitag website address that you will find listed in the information box below. I hope you found the video useful and wish you all a great ride. Thank you.